Hi, welcome to my vlog. Hi guys, welcome to our farm. Yes, our farm and cow. Oh, the cow is here, baby cow. And that's our farm. And let's go to our farm. That's it. Yeah, there's coconut in that place, and we're getting some coconuts. And we're in Lamlifao, and sa bukid po kami galing. And we're in Lamlifao. And that's my mother and daddy. And my sis Ate Shandy, and our little sister that way. And this is my little brother, CJ. Pinsan ko lang. Pero tawag namin brother sa English. Ayan. And yes, we're here in our farm. Yes, we're getting some coconut. That's our coconut. That's our coconut, and we're traveling so long, and we're gonna go home in General Santos City today, and 4 p.m. or 3 p.m. I think, because we're gonna go home later. And my little brother, his birthday, we're gonna go here in April 8 or 9, I don't know. And my mamang's grave is there, that house. Oh, no. Let's go to mamang's grave. There, wait. That's mamang's grave. That way, it's mama's grave, that house. And we are in Lamlifao, and thanks for watching. Bye.